Hey guys, welcome to Teasy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy and free way to modify and edit your PDF files or documents using an online app called PDF Escape. So here we're going to search PDF Escape. Here you go. And you're going to open Use Free. Here you're gonna need to go use the second option, upload PDF to PDF Escape. You're gonna choose a file. So I'm gonna use an example of one of my school works. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now this has many options. You can do many things. You can write, you can use whiteout, you can add images, you can do many things. And today we're only gonna teach you the basics. Okay, so if you want to write, you can click on text and then click wherever you want to start writing. Now there's many options. You can change the style, like I like Times New Roman, and you can as well change the size, like 14 for example. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it have an underline, and as well you can as well change the color, for example blue. Okay, now to write, you just click here and like that, and here too. Okay, now if I want to circle the right answer, I can go to annotate and then click on more, and then there's the oval right there. So to get to the oval, you have to click anywhere, and then you can place it here. You can change the size, and you can place it wherever you want. And you can as well use a rectangle. Click wherever you want and fix it. Okay. I hope these are the right answers. Okay, now to save it and download it, you click the green button right here. Okay, it's saved. Now to take a look at the PDF, you can click on the arrow right here and click on show in folder. And then right now you can just click on it, and let's take a look if it works. It works, and here are all my answers, and hope you try it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.